guys, so it's Simone with my channel, Simone on the microphone, and today I wanted to make bath bombs. So I did a little bit of DIY when I first started my channel, but my sewing machine is kind of taking a break right now. It is not working that well, so I still wanted to do other DIY videos, and so I taught myself how to make bath bombs. I recorded a little bit last night and I made some bath bombs, but they were actually kind of small, and I'll show you them at the end of the video. So I'm going to be using footage from last night and from today, just so you guys know. I'm just going to go ahead and get started. But before we do, go ahead and subscribe to my channel below. Also click that bell notification button so that when I post a video, you guys get notifications and can check it out. And let's get started. Okay, so you're like, Simone, what do I need? You're going to need baking soda, Epsom salt, citric acid, cornstarch, coconut oil, bath bomb molds, soap dye, essential oils. My roommate is an absolute queen because she let me borrow her essential oils. She just got these. And I'm actually borrowing some of her Epsom salt as well. I have two different types of Epsom salts because I kind of want the salt sizes to be different, and I have not done this before, so let's see if it works out for me, okay? So the first thing that you're gonna do is get all of the powder into a bowl. My bowl. So now that I have the powders all mixed together, it's time to choose the essential oil that I want to put in. I think that I'm just going to go ahead and use lavender right here. So I'm going to go ahead and do 6. 1, 2, okay. So I've been saving some dried out flowers for this moment. So I'm just going to put some at the bottom of the bowl along with the dyed Epsom salt and then a little bit of coconut oil on that to hold it all together. And now I'm going to add in the bath bomb mixture on top of that. I'm going to put a little bit of the coconut oil on top of that just so it holds the two sides together whenever we close the balls. Okay, when you're putting the bath bomb molds together, just make sure that they can close, and now we're gonna do 2 more. Okay, so in case you guys don't know this, the coconut oil, the reason that you melt it is because you want to make sure that when you put the bath bombs to dry, that the coconut oil goes back to room temperature, which at room temperature is hard, so it holds all of the ingredients together. So I just want you guys to understand that why it's important to melt the coconut oil. Now I'm just going to try a few things out because I've never made bath bombs before, so I'm just going to kind of play around with it just to see what it's like. I'm going to add maybe some more color, some more flowers, some more coconut oil, just to play around since this is really my first time making bath bombs, and we'll see how they turn out. So for this last one, I didn't have enough powder, but I decided to just make a half bath bomb. And I'm still playing around with it, so I'm going to put some flowers and some salts on it as well. Thanks so much for watching my video. I had a fun time learning how to make bath bombs. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how they turned out. But before I do, I'd like to thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to my channel below and click that bell notification button so that when I post a video, you get a notification. And leave a comment, let me know if you guys have made bath bombs before. This is very beginner for me, so I just wanted to kind of test things out, see how it goes. But I will definitely be trying to do kind of a more prettier one next time. But check out my roommate's dog. Check out my bath bombs and see how they worked out. Thanks for watching, guys. So since this was my, I guess, second time, because I made some last night, making bath bombs, I felt that they came out a little crumbly, but they still worked and I still wanted to share that with you guys. So this is my kind of fail, but also not really a fail. They did come out really pretty though. I was impressed with how that worked out. then look at that mess up. That's okay. Okay guys, so these were my other bath bombs that I made. They turned out alright.